Hello people, Greg the Old Hippie back once again for part number 6 of this Zvesda SA22 greyhound. It's coming along quite nicely. Yeah, just been doing a little bit of looking into it. I mean, this is how I'm going to paint it up. It's like, you know, in this picture it shows everything below the sort of, you know, the subframe and everything is in black. Complaining about colour callouts again, but yeah, on the destructions, it shows it's all white underneath and camouflaged. And I've been doing a little bit of digging around on the on Google Images search and found the real ones are actually more like this. So I'm gonna have to, paint everything black, which is not really a bother, just a bit more work. But yeah, let's go over the bench and see where I'm at. So yeah, carrying on from yesterday, this is where we got to. I mean, the engine's in, lots going on. Part of the drive shaft's done, the tail end of the exhaust. Yeah, I think that's hydraulic suspension on the on that. They look like pistons. But yeah, looking really good. So today, need to do some painting first, as I just said. So paint that all black apart from the engine and a few other bits. But I've got exhaust system, not sure what that is. It's probably something to do with the hydraulic suspension, I believe. So they look like sort of air tanks or something, maybe. Bit of suspension, differentials, front bumper, and sticking that all together. So yeah, like I said, I've got some painting to do first, so I'm going to do that and paint up the bits that need painting on here, and yeah, I'll bring you back when she's ready to assemble. I will see you shortly. Right, it's the next day now. As you can see, I've painted the chassis. Okay, I've missed some bits, but I don't think you're really going to be able to see them once it's all together. Yeah, I'm still annoyed with the instructions for not doing proper colour callouts. But hey ho, what can we do? I've done the top part as well, which all the guns and the unit and everything's going to sit on. So yeah, I think I've painted everything I need to. So yeah, that can go back on the other shelf in a minute. I sorted out the ends are still wet, but I sorted out the fuel tanks. Yeah, pretty much sorted out the seam line on them, so they're good. They can get stuck on in a little while once all this paint's dry. I've got all the sections for this page painted up, ready to go. So once these have had a couple of hours to dry, I will crack on with those. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to film it because I'm not. The last two videos have only had 5 views on this, so obviously, yeah, there's not a lot of interest in this. But I will bring you back and do a short one. This will probably be the last video on this. So what I'll do is I'll bring you back every time I've done a page and show you the update. And yeah, so I will see you in a little while. Right, well, I've almost done stage 37. Just thought I'd check in and just report a major fit issue problem. Yeah, this bit's about 8mm too short to connect up with that. So and everything is in the right place. There's no other way things can line up. So that's very disappointing, but thankfully it's underneath and behind the wheels, so you probably won't see it unless you pick it up and turn it upside down. So yeah, gonna get the last couple of bits put on, sort out the paintwork, and then I will bring you back. I've had a couple of days off now, just because, but I thought I'd just test fit the cab on top of the on top of the chassis, and look at that. That's a pretty nice fit, isn't it? Yeah, quite happy with that. Nice. Anyway, yeah, I might do some more tonight, I might not. Let's see what happens. Right, okay, it's been what, 3 days, maybe longer, since I've done any work on this. Everything's been moved over onto the shelves because I've had a good old clear up on the old workbench. So yeah, I think I'm going to do a little bit more. Can't even remember where we've got to now. Yeah, we just sort of hang on a minute. Oh no, I've just done stage 37, so we're on this one now. So I'm going to slight cock up on that, but I'm just going to leave it. I've put the wrong end on it because I'm a muppet, but never mind. It can stay as it is. Yeah, so we'll have a look at doing this, and then yeah, can't even think of anything to say at the minute. So yeah, I was going to work my way through this, and yeah, we'll crack on. I think I'll film some of it this time, and yeah, I'll see you on the bench. Well, I've just, on closer inspection, realised that I made quite an epic balls up. I'd put that one on there, but actually that one is the one that's going to go here eventually. So, you know, no wonder that didn't marry up with that. What a dingbat. Yeah. So yeah. Bloody Wally. So yeah. That one goes on there, and then that one eventually goes on to there, and then that bit goes in the middle. Twat. Where's my knife gone? There it is. Sorry about that, I forgot you were filming. Yeah, there's a little nodule on the end of there that goes in there. Did not want to go in, so I was cleaning it up, and I've chopped the stupid bloody thing off, haven't I? Just like, there was a reason why I'd lost interest in this. Come on, get back in there, you swine. It's gonna be somewhere around there. Glue on them, glue on them. Knock that fiddly bloody bit off as well. Nuts to it. I can't be chewed with this anymore today. I think I'm going to upload this video. This is going back in its box for a while. I'll bring you back at a later date if I decide to finish it.